I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What would you do with a child in a classroom who hits and spits? Those are two disturbing things and actions that happen. I want to just first clarify that if you're dealing with preschool, kindergarten, they tend to do this a little more because they don't have a lot of other tools in their toolbox. So part of what we do in kindergarten and preschools and younger grades is help kids to learn that that's not okay, especially the hitting part, because oftentimes hitting is a form of communication for some of those kids. So if what we're talking about is kids as they get older, when they completely dysregulate, they resort to physical aggression and spitting, and those are safety issues. Once they have reached the frequency and intensity of being a safety issue, it's not okay for them to be there. And what I hear them saying to me is that I have reached my capacity to handle being in the classroom right now. That's what they're saying. I can't handle this anymore. And they're resorting to some very difficult, unsafe behaviors in order to give you that message. We have to make sure we have a very clear response plan in place for these kids, meaning who do we call, where do they go, how to be de-escalated, get into a better spot, and come back to the classroom. Without a lot of language, without us unraveling, we just do it, and we do it in tandem every time. And we see it coming, we see it happening, boom, we respond, child goes, gets some intervention, because they're telling us they are not ready to be in the class and they cannot sustain. This does take some more work at your Tier 2 team level to talk about what do we put in place for that child. Number one, how do we prevent it? If we see the child unraveling before we know they're going to hit or spit or kick or something like that, then we can put something into place then. But once it happens, they need to know there is no wiggle room, and we do not allow that to happen. So our response is clear, quick, concise, not a lot of words, and it happens every single time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.